This is our major grain heat embossing machine. It is aeronautically engineered, made here in the USA. It's best in market and known for the accuracy of the stamping, but also the heat distribution. So when you're using bigger dies, it distributes the heat and the imprinting equally from one side to the other. So with this machine, we offer a variety of accessories that you can see here, some of which are pretty critical to use the machine, starting with the plate holders or the logo plate holders. So we've got a different variety depending on the different plates and logos that you have made. We offer a gauge bar that is used with this smaller plate that it comes with. So this attaches on, and that helps when you're inserting the pieces to be embossed. Helps keep it accurate. I do highly recommend you get this bigger 10 by 12 plate, and that's because if you're stamping bigger items, wallets, bigger leather flaps, it allows you to do it. And so that just slides directly on here. So along with these, we offer other attachments, including a ribbon embossing tool. This is for pencil embossing. This is for napkins. We then offer wallet inserts. These are just metal plates, so you don't emboss through multiple layers on a finished product. Line dividers, foils, and clamps. So those are the variety of accessories. Now I want to walk you through the basics. These are the two different types. This is foil embossing, this is heat embossing, and we're going to walk you through the how-to on this machine. To start, we've plugged this into 110 volt. So this dial is how we turn it on. So we've got a low setting to a high, turn it on, the green light comes up. This will start heating up right away. So what we are going to do is we're going to use our open chase holder and we're going to install our logo die. So we're going to put this in here, I'm going to tighten this up. So we are going to use the bigger plate. I want to show you how this goes in. So this is going to slide right in from this back. There is a tightening nut on the side, so we can tighten that in, and we've got a gauge bar that moves in and out. So if we're embossing or foil stamping, you can slide this in and you can get it in the right position so you can do multiple and it will stamp in the same spot. So we've also got a heat dial that tells you the temperature. So based on low or high here, this will read accordingly. And if you're doing foil or embossing, there is a good range for both. So what you also have constructed here is a mechanism to install foil. So this back part, we'll unlock it. We will put the foil. We sell both 6-inch and we sell 3-inch. This is a 3-inch roll. So we're going to install this, lock it in place, centered. So we're going to bring this around. Be careful, this is hot. Install the pins. So the foil is going to pull a little bit out. Is going to go around the base bar. Is going to come around the other here. And to start, we're going to add just a little bit of tape. I'll show you why. So this, you want to make sure you're nice and centered so it rolls up correctly. So, as you can see here, this dial, as it's locked in, will roll the foil around. So now we will install our logo die. So this will slide right in here all the way to the back. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to heat up, so we'll give it a little bit of time and come back. So we're going to show you how to heat emboss on a coaster. So we've taken the foil off. I want to just show you heat embossing. So we're going to slide that in there. We're using the gauge bar, have it centered. Going to come down. There you have it. Nice heat emboss.